जो इस क्षेत्र के बच्चे बाहर पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, अच्छी शिक्षा की व्यवस्था रायपुर में कम है, तो उसके लिए हमने एक NH गोयल वर्ड स्कूल की स्थापना की। जिस दिन हमने चालू किया था सिर्फ 97 बच्चे थे। 7 साल में आज हमारे पास 1400 बच्चे हैं।
I personally believe that school is not a static thing. It's a very live and organic place.
There were teachers, who were friends to us, who were mentors to us, like second mothers.
The teachers are very nice to the students. They are like our friends.
There are human beings, there are children, there are emotions, there are feelings, and it's a whole community which needs to change, which needs to evolve with the times.
Here the teachers, they become the facilitators, just exposing the children to their fine motor skill development, their physical, mental, social, emotional development. So we kind of focus that every child is nurtured, it's educated, a lot of love and care. So as much as love as we can give to them, that's what we do here.
हमारे शिक्षा का एक आधार है जिसमें हम पढ़ने के लिए कम और सीखने के लिए ज़्यादा बोलते हैं। हम बच्चे से ये पूछते हैं कि क्या सीखा, हम ये नहीं पूछते कि क्या पढ़ा तुमने, क्योंकि वो जो सीखेगा वही उसके काम आएगा।
I think for a person to grow, you need different experiences. It is not the classroom teaching. It is what I have learned outside the classroom, in the school, yes, but outside classroom.
We did a project called Save House Sparrows. We registered for International Expo Science, which was being held in Belgium. Seeing that we won a gold medal was really made us proud.
So we also make short educational movies where our children are also actively involved. And one of the movie, Ek Pati, a letter, won first prize in International Young Filmmakers Festival, and that is an achievement for children.
We have 3 syllabus. One is CBSE, CBSE is international, and IGCSE.
CBSE is a curriculum based on international formatting. Cambridge curriculum basically talks about the research-based learning.
So they are given a topic, and on that topic, according to their interest, their choice, we don't force a child what to learn and how to learn, but it is left on the child to explore on its own.
I took science, and as I had inclined towards fine arts and drawing and stuff, so I had the freedom to choose visual arts as my 5th subject. And now I'm pursuing visual arts in the Raffles University, Singapore.
In senior secondary, we offer 17 subjects. We are the only school in Chhattisgarh to offer humanities. And this year's city topper was a visually challenged child.
A topic is not taken up separately in different subjects. Like if a child is learning about plants, he or she is going to learn about plants in all the subjects. So in this way, we relate the concept to the real life.
The smart boards we use in a class gives us a better understanding about what we study.
So we use the smart boards to show them a lot of multimedia, audio visuals, the videos related to the subject, which gives a deeper impact on a child's learning.
Our teachers are trained constantly. We have a lot of upgradation programs in the school. There is a very strong observation coaching cell in the school, and we also have observation and coaches who come from outside. It's a very different kind of work atmosphere and work culture also we created.
They also concentrate about the mannerism we need after our class 12th and in the competitive life. Actually, one Saturday we have a formal dinner for us, and we are taught how to sit in a formal meeting and how to attend a formal dinner with higher designation people.
We will be organizing the CBSE National Athletic Championship over here, where 2,500 students will be participating across country and abroad again.
2008 में जिस दिन NH गोयल की स्थापना की थी, उसी दिन प्लान किया था कि भाई जो अपने बच्चों को अच्छे स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ा सकते, उनके लिए एक स्कूल की स्थापना करेंगे और जिसमें आने वाले समय में 300 बच्चे उसमें निःशुल्क पढ़ेंगे और NH गोयल वर्ल्ड स्कूल के इक्वलेंट सुविधाएं वहाँ होंगी, खाने पीना भी फ्री होगा, सिर्फ उनको आना है.
When there is a diversity of exposure, children do well. So I realized that, okay, one USP we have. If you have faith on yourself, if you can think out of box, you can take risks, you have the skills to manage your thoughts, you have good communication skills. You can articulate your views. The child can do anything.